Enjoy the art you love and photos of your cherished memories with my collection on the frame. Ready to give it a try? Just follow along. First, make sure your TV and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi. You can only send pictures from your phone to your TV when they're on the same network. Next, open up the SmartThings app on your phone and add your TV to SmartThings. Now, select your TV from the SmartThings app and choose Art Mode. Next, select Add Your Photos Plus. Choose the photos you want to send and select Save on the frame. The photos will be copied to My Photos in My Collection. You can easily display several pictures together. You can display your pictures together in a collage. Just select 2 or 3 photos and press the Create Collage button. When you select 3, you can choose from 2 different layouts. You can also set the background color for your collage. Okay, you did it! It's easy, right? Make precious moments and memories even more special with My Collection on the frame.